Hello, today we're going to talk about lung health. I'll be sharing signs that might indicate your lungs are not healthy. Knowing these signs can help you recognize serious lung problems early and start treatment. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the role of the lungs in our body. The lungs facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our bodies. Healthy lungs take in the oxygen our bodies need and expel carbon dioxide. However, certain signs can indicate that your lungs may not be healthy. 1. Persistent cough. A persistent cough, especially one that lasts for several weeks and doesn't go away, can be a sign of lung problems. This cough can be either dry or productive, sometimes even producing blood-tinged sputum. If you experience a persistent cough, you should see a doctor. 2. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can be a sign that your lungs are not functioning well. If you have difficulty breathing during physical activity or even at rest, it could be an indication of lung problems. Take this seriously and consult a healthcare professional. 3. Chest pain. Chest pain, especially when breathing deeply or coughing, can be a sign of lung disease. This pain can feel sharp or stabbing. If you experience such pain, seek medical attention immediately. 4. Wheezing. Wheezing indicates that your airways are narrowed. This can be a sign of asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), or other lung problems. If you are wheezing, take this seriously and consult a healthcare professional. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness can be a sign that your lungs are not providing enough oxygen. Lung problems can affect your energy levels, making daily activities difficult. 6. Loss of appetite and weight loss. Sudden loss of appetite and unexplained weight loss can be signs of serious lung conditions such as lung cancer. If you experience these symptoms, you should see a doctor. Remember, if you experience any of these symptoms, do not delay in consulting a healthcare professional. It is crucial to have regular checkups and maintain a healthy lifestyle to protect your lung health. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more health information. Wishing you healthy days ahead.